Hey everybody, it's JJ Honez. Back out here, I got a new toy to play with today. So, little Marlin 22 mag bolt action. Today I'm really just going to sight it in. Here we go, look at that bad boy. Not bad, got it. Walmart, don't judge me. But for 197 bucks. So not bad. And this is what we're going to be zeroing in. Sorry for the sun, but target's down there dead center at 50 yards away. So here we go. Get my ears on, already got my eyes on. Little 5-round mag. Load's pretty easy. Yeah, so it only holds 4. All right, so here we go. See what this little bad mamma jamma could do. There we go. All right, see what she can do. Last one, then we'll go check our shots out. Here we go. Ah, that one didn't come out. Oh, really? Well, that sucks. There it goes. I don't know why it didn't want to come out. All right, take a quick walk down there and check this out real quick. Not a bad little group. All 4 shots right there. That's pretty good. So that's their thumb, so it's pretty good. Be a nice little squirrel killer, so I gotta go up here into the just right a little bit. All right, got her all adjusted right a little bit. Load up 3 more in her. So far I'm liking it. It's a nice little shooter. That's a 200 bucks. All right, here we go. Such a light little rifle. Last one, we'll go check it out. Yeah, nice little rifle. Trigger's good. Pretty accurate so far. Probably just me being a bad shooter though. Oh, there we are, too far right. So I gotta go a tad left. I may just put a scope on her. Little cheap little $40, $50 scope from Walmart should work. All right, see, there we go. All right, so I got it back left a little bit. For the most part, it's actually on. So I don't have my other part of the bag, so you gotta forgive me on that one. But so far I like it though. Action's not too bad for a little B rifle. Length of pull for a guy like me, I'm 6'1", ain't really lanky, but I got some little bit of height on me. All right, that's that. Let's go see how she does. Walk back down here real quick, check it out. But yeah, so far, it's not a bad little rifle. I'm definitely got to put a scope on it because my old eyes, you know, ain't really all that great. So, but so far with the first 10 rounds to it, I like it. I think it's worth 200 bucks. So yeah, I'm on paper. Need maybe go back a little left, but this thing is tight. She's a tight little group. There you go, right there. My last three. Yeah, that ain't bad. 50 yards. I'm not a shooter like I used to be, let me tell you. You know, maybe put a sling on it or something, try some standing up shooting. But yeah, other than that, you know, it's not heavy. I can walk it through the woods, 22 mag. They got some good ammo out there for it. Oh, let's do this. I'm gonna put a jug out here. And I'm gonna set you guys up to watch me pop this jug. Because who doesn't like watching little jugs get popped, right? Here we go. Set you right there in the middle. That's pretty easy to hit. Now I'm gonna set you guys right here. It's gonna be 4 shots or 3 shots. 3 shots. How'd you like that? Got a little dirt and water on you? Yep. Sure popped that jug pretty good. Oh, yeah, we got some lead. See some of the lead floating around in there. Yeah, not bad. She's a shooter. Can't really see the entrance holes because of the jug in there, label in there, but yeah. Yep. So there's one, and there's one. Cool. See, I'm liking it, so I'll have to do some replay back on there, some slow-mo for you guys on there. But yeah, other than that, I like it. You know, thanks for stopping by. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notifications button for new videos coming out in the future. And you have a great one.